and then the UI let's implement here. So we can say build context async snapshot query snapshot. We can give it name as data snapshot. So in case if any error occur, then in that case we can get it using data snapshot. Now this data snapshot simply means the query which is returned from here. This data snapshot simply means that all the banners from the database which is coming as a response from the database. Okay, so we can access that using this data snapshot. So we are checking now if data snapshot dot has error. If there is any error while retrieving or the data which we get, let's say if there is any error, then we will simply return a text widget and we will tell to the admin that is error occurred. So we can say, you can just say error occurred like that, or you can say something went wrong. Then one more thing which we have to check is if, let's say if the admin internet is slow and it is loading, then we have to let the admin know about it. So we can say if the connection state dot waiting, if it is waiting, and simply tell please wait, or you can say loading. Let's say if there is no data, like if there is no banner uploaded inside the database, so it will return us an empty list. Okay, that is no data. So just copy paste this after this if condition. We can copy paste it like this, and we can say if data snapshot dot data dot docs dot is empty. If it is empty, so we can say no banner available, no banner available yet, or you can say there is no banner to retrieve. Of course, as we can change the text style. We have to make sure that the color is gray, and font size we can change, let's say 24. Similarly here and here as well. So these are some some parameters which we have to check, like some errors, not parameters but some errors which can possibly occur. If there is any error, if there is waiting in the connection, or if it is empty. Other than that, if there is no problem like these three, then it means we are getting the data correctly. So we have to get, and we have to display it then on the user interface, and we can say grid view dot builder, and we have grid delegate item builder. So the grid delegate is const silver grid, it is sliver, sliver, sliver grid delegate with fixed cross axis count. Now what it means, it simply means how much images we want in a row, that is using this grid view UI. So per row we want 6. Okay, so we can say cross axis count 6, and man axis count will be, man axis spacing, that is the space among them, 8, and the cross axis spacing will be 6. Okay, so 6 per row we want, 6 grid images. Then we can say shrink wrap to true after the Grid delegate, we have item builder. Also how much total number of images we have to display, that is total number of banners. We can get that, as I told you, data snapshot has control over it. So data snapshot dot data dot box dot length item builder context comma index. So we can say each banner, as there can be one or more than one banners, like 10, 20, 50, so much banner images. Let's say the admin already, let's say, uploaded. So each banner we have to get using index number. As you know, the data which we receive, it is placed on index number. That is, at the 0th index we have one banner, at the one index we have another banner, then so on. So one by one we are getting each banner using its index number. So as we have each banner, access to each banner info, each banner data, now we can display it on the UI. So we can say return padding padding from all sides will be 15. And then child column widget space evenly for the main axis alignment, and then we have just only image, so we can just directly display it by specifying the height and width. So height for this will be 100 and width will be 100. Then child image dot network, and we can say each banner, and you know that in the database it is by the key name image. Width will be double dot infinity, and then fit box fit dot fit width. So now on our banner list we can just call our this reusable UI. How we can do? We can simply say call our banner list widget, UI widget, which is this one. Okay, that's it. So now let's go to upload banner. Loading, please wait. And here we go. You can see that. And as you know, the UI is responsive, no matter if the screen size is small or big, as you can see. So this is the beauty of using Flutter for the web with responsive UI. Now let's upload more images to see. Let's upload this one. Save. Uploading banner. Uploaded successfully, you can see that. And the text color for our snack bar, let's change this to white. Okay, this is the colors.white. So this is all about uploading banners.